Yo, what's up guys, it's Lord here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tech tutorial video, I'm going to teach you guys how to connect the ORAIMO Watch 5 Lite and also how to fix the ORAIMO Watch 5 Lite. So in case you're having any issue or you've encountered any issue with your ORAIMO Watch 5 Lite, this video will actually help you out in solving those issues, right? So basically, I made a review video of the ORAIMO Watch 5 Lite. You can go check that out. But yeah, we're going to get into how to fix the ORAIMO Watch 5 Lite and also full details on how to connect it. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Alright, so I'm going to start by resetting the smartwatch because it is already connected to your smartphone. So I'm going to reset it right now so that we're going to start everything step by step. So now that we've reset the smartwatch, you're going to start by choosing the language, and you're going to choose any of the language you really understand. So I'm going to click on English. Now it says scan to download the ORAIMO Health app and device name ORAIMO Watch 5 Lite, Bluetooth name, blah 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 blah. So what we are going to do is to download the ORAIMO Health app on Play Store or Apple Store. So this is the ORAIMO Health app here. So after you install the ORAIMO Health app, you just have to click on it, and the next thing to do right here is to click on this watch icon here. So you have to make sure that your data is on to make everything more faster, right? So click on add device and click on bind via QR code, or you can pair via Bluetooth, right? So I'm going to click on the first option and click on allow. So the next thing to do right now is to scan the QR code of this smartwatch. So when you're done scanning, it will start loading on the smartphone. You're going to see connecting, and after it is connected, it will vibrate on the smartwatch and it's going to write successful, right? So I'm going to click on allow here and click on pair. And with that, we are done connecting our ORAIMO Watch 5 Lite with our smartphone. So basically, it is very easy and simple to connect the Watch 5 Lite and your smartphone. So now you've known how to connect the ORAIMO Watch 5 Lite with your smartphone, let's talk about the issues you might encounter and how to solve them. So first off, before you connect the smartwatch, all you need to know is that your smartphone should support Bluetooth 5.3, and also for Android users, you should make sure that your operating system is Android 7.0 or above, and for iPhone users, you should make sure that it is iOS 12.0 or above. If your smartphone meets the requirements, then you can successfully connect your smartwatch with your smartphone. So if you're having issues like after connecting your smartwatch and your smartphone for some while and you try connecting it again and it doesn't connect, what you have to do is to make sure that your smartwatch is not connected to another device. And if it is connected to another device, make sure to disconnect it before you try reconnecting it. Now the next thing you have to do is, or the next step to take is, reboot the smartwatch. Press and hold this power button for a few seconds and click on reboot to reboot the smartwatch. Next thing to do is to turn off the Bluetooth of your smartphone, and after that you just have to wait for like 20 seconds before reconnecting the smartphone and the smartwatch. So if you're also having issues like you can't find the Bluetooth of the smartwatch, what you have to do is make sure that the smartwatch is not connected to another device, and when you're sure, you can also turn on the location of your smartphone, which is the GPS, and turn off the Bluetooth, right? Wait for like 20 seconds and turn on the Bluetooth again. Yeah, it will connect after that. And again, if you have issues like notification not coming in on the smartwatch, what you have to do is to go to this sync with phone notifications, right? On this section, you're able to choose the app that you want to see their notifications on the smartwatch. So you can look for any app you want to see their notifications on the smartwatch and toggle them on, and with that you'll be able to see the notifications on the smartwatch. Yeah, then again, if you're having issues like the heart rate monitor sensor or the blood oxygen monitor sensor cannot monitor your heart rate or that stuff like that, make sure that the sensor of the smartwatch is on the surface of your wrist, right? So that it will be able to monitor your heart rate or any other stuff you want to check out on your body, right? So basically this smartwatch comes with IP68 water and dust resistant, and you can know more about this smartwatch by checking the review of the smartwatch on my YouTube channel. I hope the video helps you anyway to fix any issue you encounter with the ORAIMO Watch 5 Lite. And yeah, my name is Charlotte. I talk about tech. Please subscribe and also turn on that notification bell to always get notified whenever we drop a new video on the channel. Yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Yeah, peace.